Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. I hope you guys are all doing well. So in today's video, I want to give you guys an update of what is happening with Bitcoin today and of course the entire cryptocurrency market. And today I want to go ahead and invest a bit more into Bitcoin because I really do believe, okay, we are in fact in the buying area, right? We are in fact in the accumulation stage right now. And I want to show you guys a fair few charts indicating that we are in fact in the buy area right now. We all should be at least buying, dollar cost averaging, investing into Bitcoin right now. I've been telling you guys that many times. Okay, please don't miss this opportunity right now for Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin is still cheap. I've been telling you guys that many times, right? Buying Bitcoin at $26,000 for one Bitcoin is very cheap, especially if you're investing for long term, because we all know where Bitcoin is going to be heading, a decade from now, and of course over 10 years from now, right? We know, okay, Bitcoin's 100% going to be reaching hundreds and thousands of dollars per Bitcoin, and of course $1,000,000, and not just that, but millions of dollars per Bitcoin. And that's why, guys, I've been stacking and investing heavy into Bitcoin, right? And I know Bitcoin is in fact the future of money. Okay, I've been telling you guys that many times. So before we get into this video, guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't seen my most previous video. I actually bought some Chainlink today, okay, because Chainlink has in fact been dropping, and Chainlink is 100% a great buy right now. This is a great opportunity to get into a lot of these altcoins, because we know altcoins for the past few weeks have been crashing down and they are dirt cheap right now. And I really do believe, okay, a lot of these altcoins will bounce back up and recover, of course, reaching its previous all-time highs where we saw them in 2021. We're going to see them in potentially in the next bull market, 2024 and 2025. So if you guys haven't seen my most previous video where I invested into Chainlink, okay, I did that early this morning. Definitely check out that video. But in this video, like I said, I want to talk about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now is currently at $26,000, still consolidating, not much movement. It is in fact, it did in fact have a slight drop right here. It actually dropped all the way down to around 26.3, but it slightly, bounced back up to $26,400. You guys can clearly see that, and that's where we are right now. So Bitcoin is still holding up very strong at $26,000. Not much movement, so I think right now it's still a great buy for Bitcoin. Okay, the entire cryptocurrency market today not moving. Okay, slightly down 0.44%, and overall the global crypto market cap as of right now is kind of 1.07 trillion. So you guys can clearly see for the past 24 hours, not much movements. We are in fact seeing XRP bounce back up. It's actually up 2% today. It's back up at 49 cents. So that's great to see for XRP. Shiba Inu is up over 3%. Not quite sure why Shiba Inu is pumping, but it is. So that's great to see for Shiba Inu. But you guys see majority of the altcoins today, not much movement. In fact, we are in fact seeing some slight drops for altcoins. And that's why I decided to buy some more Chainlink, right, today. So not just that, like I said, I'm also invest more into Bitcoin. For the past few weeks, guys, I've been stacking into Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? We can't forget about Ethereum, but Bitcoin especially, I've been buying a whole bunch. I've been stacking, I've been investing heavy, because I really do believe right now is the perfect time to buy Bitcoin, because soon enough, Bitcoin will in fact, bounce back up to $30,000, and of course, surpass $30,000. It's going to break that resistance line of 30K. And once it does, we're going to see Bitcoin continue the rally up. So Bitcoin is holding up very well. We know Bitcoin is in fact forming a slight downtrend, but soon enough, Bitcoin is going to have a breakout. I talked about this many times. I made a video on, talking about this topic for Bitcoin breaking this, downtrend, right? It is in fact forming, and Bitcoin will soon enough, break out of it. This line, okay, this pretty much this resistance line, and go back up to $30,000, and it will surpass 30K, and it will just go back up to 32, and the rally will just continue on from there. So be excited for that, guys, because Bitcoin will break out of this. Okay, it will eventually, and I really do believe it's going to happen very soon. So I love this chart, and this chart really does indicate, okay, where we should be buying and selling, and it's very simple, guys. We should be buying low and selling high, right? Buy low, sell high. Okay, very simple. A lot of people like to do the opposite for some odd reason. It's just how human brains operate. A lot of people like to buy when a asset is pumping, right? When the market is pumping and it's in the greens, they like to chase that green candle, right? But we should be chasing red candles, and we should be buying at the low. So we're still low. We know Bitcoin is nowhere near its previous all-time highs. If we go to the weekly time frame, you guys can clearly see Bitcoin is nowhere near its previous all-time highs, right? You guys can clearly see that. So we are nowhere near in, a bull market. Obviously, right now we're still in a bear market. We're not 100%, in a bull market just yet, but this is, a beginning of the next bull market, because we have already hit bottom of $15,000 last November. And you guys clearly see Bitcoin is, in fact, breaking out of that, breaking above. So that's a great sign right there. Okay, so that's why I always say, guys, it's all up from here. A lot of people think, Bitcoin's, going to drop back down to $20,000 or lower, but I don't think that's very, very possible. Very unlikely to happen, especially during this time when the halving for Bitcoin is about to happen in like literally less than a year from now, right? So there's no way in hell we're going to see Bitcoin, drop back down below $20,000 ever again. That's just my personal opinion, right? But you guys can clearly see this chart is indicating that we are in fact in the buy area. We are still at its bottom. Okay, Bitcoin, right? Like I said, it's not even halfway through its previous all-time highs. We're still very, very low from its previous all-time high. So we're still in the buy area. And I like this chart a lot because it shows us, the buy area and the sell area, right? So like I said many times, buy low, sell high. Here's another chart, right, that we all should be accumulating right now. We are in fact in the accumulation phase right now, and you guys clearly see this chart also indicates that we have already hit bottom, and right now we are in fact in the accumulation phase for 2023 right here. You guys clearly see that. So this chart, okay, and this chart is pretty much similar. Okay, very, very similar. And it shows us, the peaks of 2011, 2013, 2017, and of course 2021. So we have hit bottom. That would have been a great time to buy, and it still is a great time to buy right now, guys, right this second. That's why today I'm gonna go ahead and invest more into Bitcoin, right? So that's that, okay? So we all should be buying right now, guys, okay? We really should, okay? Don't time the market. We all should be at least dollar cost averaging into crypto, right? Especially Bitcoin, okay? It really depends what you really wanna, invest in. Always do your own research. But you guys clearly see, here's another chart that I really want to show you guys that we should be really excited for Bitcoin. So I've been mentioning this many times that my personal price prediction for Bitcoin towards the end of this year in 2023 is around $50,000. And this chart is indicating that Bitcoin will reach at least $48,000. I think Bitcoin can go a bit more higher than that. So I think Bitcoin can reach 50K and over $50,000. So we will see. And we know the halving is going to happen for Bitcoin, right, in the year 2024. That's obviously right around the corner. That's going to happen around April or May next year in 2024. So that is literally less than 1 year from now. And we know what happens with the Bitcoin halving. That's where we tend to see Bitcoin pump the most, and that's where it does pump the most. Okay, we know in our previous halving events for Bitcoin, every single time we have a Bitcoin halving event, that's where Bitcoin really pumps. Our most previous one was obviously in 2020. Right, and towards the end of the year in 2020, we saw Bitcoin absolutely skyrocket. The same exact cycle is going to happen for the year 2024. Towards the end of the year in 2024, I think we will easily see a 100K Bitcoin. I've been mentioning that many times. Okay, that's when I do think we will in fact see a 100K Bitcoin towards the end of the year in 2024. And of course, 2025, that's where we're going to see Bitcoin absolutely skyrocket. And I really do believe in the next bull market, we're going to easily see a 200K Bitcoin, 250K Bitcoin, maybe even a 300K Bitcoin. Maybe we will see, but Bitcoin is going to absolutely skyrocket, just like what this chart is showing and indicating. Okay, so be excited for that for all my Bitcoin holders out there that's watching this video right now. Now, I came across this article, and it's pretty interesting. It really is, right? It's saying here that Bitcoin creates 48,000 new crypto millionaires this year alone in 2023. 48,000. I don't know if this is actually true, but it seems like a lot of people out there are in fact, making a lot of money with Bitcoin just by simply investing into Bitcoin and trading into Bitcoin, right? So that's some obviously, great news right there, guys. Okay, I just came across this news article and it's pretty interesting, right? A lot of people are in fact making money with Bitcoin, okay? And of course, Bitcoin's going to create a ton of Bitcoin millionaires in the future, especially for the people out there that are in fact taking this advantage right now, okay, this advantage in the market right now. They're buying into Bitcoin that, dollar cost averaging right now at this very moment. And I really do believe, with these investments in the next few years, especially in the next bull market in the year 2024 and 2025, especially, they're going to create, Bitcoin millionaires, okay? And I'm going to be one of them, 100%. So the Bitcoin monthly returns, you guys can see we are still down over 2%, almost 3% for this month in June. We will see, okay, it's almost coming to an end for this month. Today is the 19th of June, the 18th of June for you guys watching this video, because I know a lot of you guys are in fact in the US. But you guys can clearly see that we could potentially end off, in the greens for June, right? We will see, but usually June is not, Bitcoin doesn't really perform that great for this month in June, but we will see. You never know. We could end off in a very, very good month, but we will see. I'll obviously keep you guys updated on that. So let's go ahead and buy some Bitcoin. Okay, let's go ahead and invest more into Bitcoin. And I've been investing, like I said many times, I've been investing heavy into Bitcoin because I think right now is, in fact, a great opportunity to buy some Bitcoin. I remember I bought some Bitcoin when Bitcoin was all the way down. Right, let me go to the 1 hour time frame here. I was buying a whole bunch of Bitcoin, right, when we were all the way down here at $25,000. If you guys remembered, a couple of days ago, I was actually buying a fair few Bitcoins down here. I was investing more and I bought some more here, right? And I'm going to take advantage now because Bitcoin is, in fact, still a great buy at $26,000 and it's been consolidating. So I think, soon enough, we will, in fact, see Bitcoin break up to the upside. And once it surpasses back up to $27,000, I think it's going to rally back up to $30,000 right up here. Okay, so that's why, guys, I've been stacking and I've been accumulating and investing a whole bunch of my money into Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and invest $500 into Bitcoin. Okay, $500. There you guys have it, by BTC. And that is how much Bitcoin I'll be getting from a $500 investment, which is great. So confirm buy. And there we have it, guys. I just invested more into Bitcoin today. Okay. And of course, these investments that I am, in fact, investing into Bitcoin today are going to be for long-term investments. Okay. I don't care about short-term. I'm here for long-term. Okay. So that's that, guys. Okay. So I just invested more into Bitcoin. Hopefully one day I will, in fact, become a Bitcoin millionaire, which I know for a fact, potentially in the next bull market, I'm going to become a crypto millionaire with my investments into Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, XRP, Polygon, right? And many more other altcoins like Chainlink. Okay. I am going to become a crypto millionaire, right? With all these investments that I have, made in crypto, I've invested into the market and of course, accumulated. I know for a fact I'm going to become a crypto millionaire in the next bull market. And that's why I've been going heavy, guys, right? With investing into cryptocurrency. But guys, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you guys have not yet already. Because, I know a lot of you guys that are in fact watching my videos are not yet subscribed. And you guys are in fact crypto investors just like myself and traders. So please consider subscribing because every single day I talk about crypto, give you guys little updates on what's happening with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, right? So if you guys are in fact in the crypto space, please consider subscribing. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers. I would really appreciate that. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys for the support lately. I really do. And I know who you guys are because I read the comments. I know exactly who you guys are. So I appreciate all you guys. But yeah, hope you guys will stay around for long because it's about to get crazy for crypto, right? It really is. So on that, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a blessed day, guys.